library mean to Daybreak and to the county? And it means a place to be inspired, a place to create things, a place to come for solitude if you want, performance. There are so many things that you can do at the library. It's amazing.
I love the create space because I love making art and craft, so I really look forward to using it. I have 2 bunnies, so I would kind of want to make like a bunny out of the 3D printer.
I've heard so many comments today in particular about the things that the library offers to them individually. It's not just the community experience, it's individual experiences as well. And these new libraries, Kearns, Daybreak, Granite, I think they're just really the new wave of libraries and the things that we can offer the public that they may not have realized that the library is in that space.